Hola, feliz martes. All right, I want you to respond to these in English. This is, if you weren't here yesterday, then you're not going to really know how to do this. But if you were here, then you do know. So, what is important? Remember, even if you aren't here, you're still responsible for knowing. Even though I'm not going to make you watch the film on your own, you are still responsible for knowing what happens in it. So, what is important about July 2nd in the Dominican Republic? Why is being 16 years old an important age in baseball? And then, would you be willing to train as hard as these peloteros are training? After that, quick announcement. Remember, if you missed any of those parts of the midterm, you need to make that up with me. If not, you're going to have a 0, and that's a scary thing to have in that summative score. And then same with writing. The writing after it's graded, and I finished grading second and fourth hour. So check and see how you did, and if you want to retake it, make sure that you get that form to me immediately, and then you'll have 3 days to redo that. After that, we're going to watch this video. There's a lot going on in our world right now, especially with Ukraine and Russia. And so war has existed in the world for as long as we can remember. And there is a painting done by Picasso called Guernica that is it's a depiction of what the aftermath of war looked like. During the Spanish Civil War, some really bad things happened. The general of the one half of the Civil War army decided to allow Hitler to test some bombs on a city in the north of Spain without telling anybody what was going on, without giving any warning. And it was a city that this was a civil war, so most of the men were gone. And so a city of just mostly women and children were bombed. And Picasso was so horrified by what had happened there that he created this painting. So if you click on that, you can watch the video. A woman's explaining it. She points out different parts of it and the symbolism, and it's just very accurate for what we're seeing in the news today. This is history sort of repeating itself. So take a look at that, and then switch to happier things. Yesterday, our winner in between those two, I was shocked. I could not believe it. Barely edged out La Mitad, Indigo. Indigo is our winner. And then today we have Bachata Blue and Lau a Lau. So make sure that you watch both of those and then click there to vote. After that, give your opinion. Me gusta más número uno o número dos porque es interesante, es pegajosa, right? So come up with one of those, and then how many stars would you give it? And then after that, we are going to continue to watch this amazing documentary about the peloteros. And today it's going to get kind of dramatic. So that is that. That's for advisory. So that's that. Hoy es martes. You guys don't have school tomorrow, so I will see you guys Thursday.